anyone who's just involved in general in giving da'wah or public speaking, regardless of whatever platform it is at, I think that it is a huge service to the community to attend this workshop. And not only attending, I think the development and the establishment of this workshop, it's a huge service to the extension of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's memoir. And I feel with a passion that, having known about this, and for people to go through all the testimonials that they probably have, to kind of ignore this or think lightly of it would be a huge disservice to the khidmah and the propagation of Islam. It's something that's very important, even for someone who may be seasoned, who may be a eloquent imam or public speaker. I think it's very important to hear things from a different perspective, from a more professional perspective. When things are laid out to you, I think it really helps. And everyone has room to improve. Everyone. Nobody's perfect. So I think anyone who's involved, if they really want to take it to the next level, I think it's important to take this course.